Hey, this is Politics with Laura. And just when you think that our government and our nonprofits really have our best interest in heart, do we believe them? Hey. Okay. Letitia James. Um, I don't know which side she's on. Not only that, I don't even know which side the New York State is on. I don't know which side the American Civil Liberties or even the medical health organization is on. Now, this is quite interesting. Letitia James teamed up with the Civil Liberties because two pregnant women, yes, not pregnant persons, but pregnant women, complained that they were secretly rug tested. Yes. And apparently this has been going on for about 6 years. Now, there were people that have no problems. If the birth rate goes down, who cares? You had people actually doing this. And they had no problems at all doing this. There were twerking for terminations, men and women twerking for terminations. Yes, they were doing that. Now where are these same people who were out there for the women, the pregnant women now that were secretly rug tested? They're not out there twerking for my body, my choice, leave me alone. And really, if we really think about it, that's what women have been saying, my body, my choice. So if these women are consuming different types of rugs, why would it matter anyway? You can have you could always get a termination up into New York at birthing time. Yep. The doctor escorts everybody out the room and has a conversation with the mother and say, what do you want to do? What you want to do? Because after this last push, it's over. So whether if the mother is consuming rugs or alcohol or anything else, keep in mind, people have been twerking for terminations. Now, I don't want to sound like a complete and utter jerk, which I'm not, but we have to at least be consistent on what you're pushing for, Letitia. Now, I understand that the two ladies were upset because their rights or their privacy was violated. And I get it. I truly get it. But on a real note, my question is this. What are they doing with that data? That's my only question. What are they doing with that data? Let's take a quick look. Take a quick look. All righty. Oops. Here. Okay, Letitia James, in case if you don't know who she is, that is her right here. Her. Okay, here. The New York State Attorney Attorney General Letitia Tish James was quietly teamed up with a special counsel brought from the American Civil Liberties Union to investigate allegations of hospitals secretly rug testing pregnant patients. And Now she's the one being taken to court. I find it interesting. Now, the Garnett Hospital Medical Center filed a petition last month asking a county judge to quash a subpoena by James's office for the medical records of thousands of obstetrics patients over the last 6 years, arguing that the subpoena was overly broad and appears to be motivated by the political interest. Now, whether if it's motivated by political interest or not, one thing people would need to ask, why are you doing this? And if it's overly broad, I don't think it is, because what you're doing is overly broad. And just the fact that I am sitting here siding with Tish James, that's a hard thing to do to get me to do. Okay. Garnett Health Medical Center. Now here, and this is one of the reasons why I don't like nonprofits. They have to come up with stuff to stay to continue to make money because they're nonprofit. They have to make sure that there's something going on so that they can write for grant money so they can get money. But I digress. The Orange County-based nonprofit health system called the subpoena fishing expedition motivated by the legislative agenda and women's rights organization involved in discrimination cases filed back in 2021 by two former obstetrics patients who were secretly rug tested, according to the petition filed by the Orange County Superior Court. Both patients were admitted to Garnett Health Medical Center in Middletown before it changed your toxicology screening policies in October 2021. Now, quite interesting. Now, because Letitia James or Tish is a high, how can I say, profile attorney general, anything that she does is going to bring a lot of light. So I got to say one good thing about you doing what you did, only one, and that is to bring light to this. So no matter what you do, light is going to come to it. In that case, on that one thing, thank you. But it goes on. But here, this is where they just start acting crazy. Such testing subjected patients to illegal MEX discrimination under the law. Now, how is this? Okay. How is the secret rug testing for pregnant women? How does that come to patients to illegal MEX discrimination under law? Unless if you're talking about birthing people, because I thought I saw that here. I thought I saw that terminology. Okay, but I'm going to leave it right there. So I find it quite interesting. I find it very interesting. So because these women, I don't like that term birthing and all that other crap. Women, pregnant women. Why were they secretly rugged? Put a D in front of it. Why were they secretly rugged? Tested. Keep in mind, I just showed you people twerking for terminations. So why would it matter what these women are doing? Why would it matter at all? I mean, whether if they're drinking alcohol, whether if they are doing sundry different types of rugs, according to them, according to the state law of termination of life, it really doesn't matter. So, what's going on in the state of New York? Are they softening up on their stance? Do they really care about the birth rate? Or is it because they have entirely too many illegal immigrants piling in? I mean, hey, I, I, I look, I can do this all day. Democrats, you messed up. Yeah, you. You messed up. So what is it? Does it matter or does it not? Because you're not offering any of the uh termination things for illegal immigrants. No, they want you to have strong, robust families. They're not doing any rug tests, just American citizens, just naturalized citizens. Oh, just people here with green cards. Yeah, them too. We can't forget about them. But on that note, what are your thoughts on that? Letitia James in this legal fight. I don't know. Maybe Donald Trump might have something nice to say about her. Do you think? Do you think? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I crack myself up. I really do. Oh my goodness. But on that note, thank you.